My good name is Anlele and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am so happy to show you how to do a fruit cake. And viewers, before we continue, please hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload a new video. Welcome. Viewers, and these are our ingredients. We have our flour 300 grams, we have our sugar 250 grams, we have our margarine 250 grams, we have our black treacle, this is the one that I normally use, 50 grams, we have our 4 eggs, we have 250 mixed pills, a tablespoon of vanilla essence, we have cinnamon 2 tablespoons, a teaspoon of baking powder, a tablespoon of mixed spices, and a half teaspoon of ginger. And that is it. So we'll start with our creaming method, with our sugar, our margarine, put it inside, and our molasses. I normally call it molasses. Inside, it is to give our fruit cake very nice color and also texture and also a very nice taste. Mix until we get that fluffy color, but not so much when we are just arriving to that fluffy color. Now we mix our dry ingredients all together. Then I'll put a tablespoon of vanilla essence. Then our fruits will come later. Our mix is ready. We start putting eggs one at a time. Then our flour, actually it is our flour mix because the spices are inside. And now we put our fruits. Our mix is ready. You mix it manually. Then you start putting. Then we are going to bake it at 180 degrees for 30 to 45 minutes. Viewers, this is my fruit cake. Very nice. You can see how it baked. It baked so well. It's a very nice recipe. It's a recipe that it's mostly used on wedding occasions and birthdays, and also on special occasions. Very nice. Even on any other day you can bake a cake like this and enjoy it. It's very nice. Please try it. And also, if there's any other thing you'd like me to try, please leave me a comment on the comment section. I'll be glad to do it. Let's cut and see how it is from inside. Very nice. Viewers, this is our end product. Try it and let me know. Please remember to subscribe to this channel, and also remember to click the notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload a new video. And until next time, bye.